So guys, welcome to another show on Cerebral. This show is sponsored by Goldminearoma, This particular meal is in 4 parts. This is the last part where we are going to make plantain fufu. Like I told you that time. When you finish eating this, you might not like your amala. I cannot see a good content and don't show my people, So this is the unripe plantain for the abula. What you just do is simple. Peel, like I'm doing. Cut in bits, like I'm doing. And blend, like I'm about to do. Put this here. There. Is it viewable? Ooh. Right, and let's go, baby. So guys, thank you for always tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you again in another video. Then we cannot video anything about. Bye guys.